Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to clean the storage in the Likee application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the three lines and then click on the settings button at the bottom of the page, and then click on the clean storage button at the general section, and it scans your not so useful files, so you can just clean them by clicking on the pink button at the bottom of the page. And some storage is available again. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.